Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
Adjectives describing shoes. Comfortable. Comfortable. These shoes are really comfortable. Worn. Worn. His shoes look worn from daily use. Stylish. Stylish. She's wearing very stylish shoes. Dirty. Dirty. Your shoes are dirty. New. New. I just bought new shoes. Tight. Tight. These shoes feel a bit tight. Shiny. Shiny. His dress shoes are shiny and polished. Old. Old. Those are old shoes, but still good. Heavy. Heavy. These boots are heavy. Colorful. Colorful. I love colorful shoes like these. More practice. Say the sentences yourself and speak out loud. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And I have a Patreon,
So I can support you here. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.